That's a cocker.
Flag! Doug, your flag's up, buddy!
See ya, buddy. Thank you.
We got a flag. That's a good Hebron toad right there.
Oh my god.
I'd say we get after a couple more.
Why not? Let's get into them.
How's it going, everybody? Pete Boyer Fishing, back with another video. So tomorrow my friend Corey and Doug and my sister Jenny are going out to Lake Hebron here in Monson, Maine. We're going to be ice fishing for some togue, as well as I know Lake Hebron also has salmon, also some brook trout as well. Supposed to snow quite a bit tomorrow, I think, you know, anywhere up to 22 inches, so should be pretty crazy out there. Really snowy. Should be pretty fun being out there in the snowstorm. You know, obviously trying to stay safe. We're looking to get our traps in the water anywhere up close to sunrise tomorrow, which I think is around 6:30 in the morning. So I think we'll probably get out there around 6. So we're super stoked. Probably going to be one of the last trips of this year. So trying to hit it hard here at the end of the season and see what we can get into. Let's go. Jen, how you feeling this morning? You ready to go?
I don't have gloves and it's stressing me out.
Oh boy.
I need to just dig through a little bit, but other than that, I'm ready.
We need Jenny to find some gloves, but other than that, we're ready to rip. We're just waiting on Doug to show up. And
oh, and I need caffeine.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Corey's making a Dunkin' run over and over, so.
Over and over.
All these cars are ready for the snowstorm today. Looks like there was some kind of dusting last night.
Hey, how you doing?
When the sun goes down in this small quiet town, the midnight air.
I don't think this is the meeting spot. It's funny. Oh my god. Oh.
I could probably get 10 before I get service in this town.
I want you, baby. Let's close our tab and get on out of here. So we slipped out back, then climbed in my pickup. Into the night we go. I wanna get lost on a turn of the night with you. Take a back road, no one else knows.
I'm pissed off because we're about an hour late. Underneath are the gems.
So the best thing about being behind the camera is that you kind of just have to film everyone setting up. You don't have to set up yourself.
Yeah. Oh, grab that piece.
Did you fix any of those traps from last night?
Well, 3 of them were already ready to go. But no, I didn't spend time fixing
Not
the
the
other
ones
ones.
that were right.
No, not the ones that were right.
I already.
Well, we'll see you in a bit. You can see there's not much snow on the ice yet, but it has been snowing since we've been awake. There's just been some flurries, nothing crazy yet, but the weather shows upwards of 20 inches.
Record at one time was out in front of that inlet.
Doug just got an auger from his truck. Hopefully it'll save the day for us here. Corey's auger is struggling. We're only a few holes in and you can already see that the snow is really starting to accumulate here. You can see out in the distance. Doug is working the one auger that we have that's actually working today. Corey and Jenny are setting up the shack, setting up our transducer and our jigging setup over there. And I'm on scoop duty for all these holes. We're trying to get our traps in as soon as we can.
To the ice and the other half a foot off bottom. And maybe one right in the middle.
Yeah. Are you doing all shiners or?
I stole 3 smelt.
For the smelts, are you putting those towards the top or near bottom?
I would.
All right.
I'm going to put 2 of my 3 up top.
Yeah.
First trap.
All right, 1 down.
1 in.
Put this one on.
Find the bottom, dude.
Wow, it's right there.
Well, at least I know if I fall through, I can just stand up.
Yeah. Kind of pierce the membrane a little bit. Yeah, that's perfect. Yep. Is that lake right in Dexter?
No. I don't think we've been ice fishing together since we were little kids. Brand smells. That's the last time I remember going ice fishing.
The snow really makes the scenery look so much more beautiful out here. Now all we need is a couple flags.
Heading back to the smoke.
What a beautiful setup we have here. What is going on in here?
We want butter Miller.
I will do a Miller.
Miller.
They spotting anything on there?
Nothing.
Nothing yet. I see something. What is that? Your
Ducks over there.
your lure? Flags, baby! Flags! I'm surprised you could even see it, dude. The visibility is low.
Well, we're getting one of our biggest storms of the season.
Yes,
in
we
March.
You love to see it.
Late March.
Yeah, had to be the furthest one out, huh? You're running now.
Close. If it. Oh yeah, right sideways. Right sidways. What'd you have for bait on there? Smell. Oh yeah. Not big. Oh, I just lost it. I just lost it.
Shut up.
Yep. Ooh, ooh. Coming back to me. Ooh, okay.
Yeah, this shallow water day.
Oh, come on.
Wow, that's a lot of line out for 15 feet of water.
It's not. It might be big.
A
Like,
lot
this is a
of
big
fish.
fish.
Someone was friggin' swimming with this.
It's not bad for
You got a
today's.
little line on your trap then. Holy crap.
Doug. She ain't bad, big guy.
It's one of those 18 plusers.
It'll be a good start to the day.
Yep. Might want to come jig here.
That's a beauty.
Oh, that's a nice one.
That's a cocker.
Let's go. Yoo-hoo, baby.
That is
Good work.
That's a good fish.
Nice. Love it.
We have nothing.
Hold that up.
Oh yeah. That's a healthy fish.
That's a good fish.
Not bad at all.
Wow,
Right?
look at that. It's a beauty.
Heck yeah, guys.
Right here in Monson,
That thing
Maine,
is
huh?
huge.
Yeah,
That's a
clean
good.
them
That's a
up
good.
little
That's a
bit.
good Hebron toad right there.
How pretty.
It's beauty.
Oh my god.
I love it.
Oh, we'll catch you in the next year. Whew.
Oh, right there.
We just dove down there.
Like,
Yep.
that thing swam far.
Well, imagine how long we're in there before.
Yeah. There's a lot of line.
Yeah, let me actually help you out here.
It's good fish, Corey.
Woo! Congrats.
Good stuff. Now I got to make sure we're set up to be able to measure and weigh these suckers. Oh, that was on the video too. That's
all right. Not a bad start to the morning. What do you say, Cor?
I say we get after a couple more.
Why not? Let's get into them. We got a flag.
Look at this guy. Should I beat him to his flag?
Yeah.
Oh, he's on his sled.
Let's start sprinting.
Might be a spit. We'll see. Don't know. I don't think it's such a bad idea.
Well,
We stripped it, I can tell.
is there any line taking
Nope,
it?
there's a fish right there.
Nice.
Good fish. Good fish. My hat on.
He was just hanging out close to the hole. Didn't take
Oh, that's
much line
good
out.
fish. Good fish, boys. And yeah.
It's like, come on.
All right, we're rolling, guys. We're rolling.
It's very similar to Corey's, maybe a little smaller. Sweet.
Oh, you brought it good.
Oh, maybe not. Big fish.
Oh, we're prepared with the ruler now.
Ruler and scale.
Oh, and
Through the hole real easy. Someone drilled the hole sideways, Doug. Probably Corey's fish again.
Hey, remember the last video when I lost mine? Don't do that.
Yeah, slow motion. That's from running, so. That ain't much bigger.
Oh, wow.
What a save!
Oh my goodness. It's live.
What a save, my man.
Nice.
Good fish.
Ooh.
21, 22 inch fish. 20,
20 and a half.
Yeah,
I'd say 20 and a half,
Oh,
21.
21.
Oh yeah, definitely
Yeah.
21. Sweet.
Small in course.
Nice.
Woo!
That one's a little thinner than yours. 3 pounds. Here's just 4 of that.
Nice.
See ya, buddy. Thank you.
Woo! Woo!
Love it.
Yes, sir. Woo! So far we have 2 really nice togue. We're having an absolute day so far. I think it's about 11 a.m. right now. Hoping to get a couple more. We'll see what happens. Now I'm gonna go scoop out and shovel out all the snow that's been accumulating near our traps. Snow is still coming down. You know, I'd say there's probably about 3 inches in the past 2 hours that we've been out here so far. The goal for today is to hopefully get everyone in the crew a fish. So we're just waiting on me and Jenny to have our flags up and figure it out. Flag! Doug, your flag's up, buddy! As I was shoveling out my traps, I noticed Doug has a flag up right now. Same flag that was just up where he caught that nice togue. I'm screaming back to the shack right now. I don't even know if they can hear me, but let's go, baby. It's right here. Check it out. Flag! So I put a dead smelting shiner to keep it alive. Love that. Awesome.
Oh, now it's moving fast.
Yep, see it.
Now it's moving.
Just setting, hand over hand. You feel that tension. Right, so you want to set the hook in its mouth though at some point. Yep. And just keep going with it. You want to continue to have that hook pressure in its mouth.
Yeah, there we go. Oh,
Nice. Anyway,
hold on.
yeah, it'll feel like it leaves because it's coming with you. You just shout on water.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, just keep it going. Okay, let it go if it needs to.
set.
Is it trying to run away from you?
Yeah.
You can let it go a little bit, but
Yeah, so you want to pull with like medium.
oh,
grip.
he took a good bit of line. You're
Yeah.
good, Jen.
Hey, try and yeah, right to your side there. Yep.
Any weight to it?
There's something there.
Nice.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Did take some line.
Yikes.
You were talking about me having line.
Yeah. So
You talk about this.
the 2 biggest ones I've caught spooled me in probably 5 minutes.
Wow.
I
Pete was yelling for about 2 minutes.
Oh my god, dude! I was over there screaming. I could hear my echoes. I was like, "Where is everybody?"
Okay, it's getting close. So just make sure the head pretty much comes right up through.
If it really pulls, you let it go. Yeah.
But as it gets here, don't let off.
Yeah.
Because it'll spit the hook.
Oh, that's
You're all right.
good.
You're all right.
That's it's up.
Right.
It's raveled to the bottom.
Wow.
Whoa!
That's awesome.
It's all you. It's a stick. Nice.
I'm like holding it.
Ah, that might be better than yours, Doug.
Oh yeah, it is. Slightly, yeah.
Get them.
Nice.
23 inch, yeah.
Oh, baby.
Put them back in.
Nice.
What a trip, guys.
That's a
What
beauty.
trip. Have a good day, big guy. Thank you. One more to go, Pete.
Yes, sir. Woo-hoo. couple more toad before we leave here. You can see the trap is just getting absolutely covered by snow right now. We'll report back when we have fish on the line, hopefully. There's the stick that Jenny caught earlier with that nice togue.
Start digging.
No, dude, just take the trap and I'll...
Yeah, we'll do the other.
Oh, no, that's not... There's nothing... Oh! That sucks.
He caught a hook! We didn't have a fish on that one, but we're about to pull our traps, and hopefully while we're doing that, something else comes up, because I'm the only one who hasn't caught a fish today. Oh baby.
Uh-oh. Yep.
Yeah, take it, Pete.
Yeah, something's on there.
Take it.
Someone dig.
Yeah, something's on there.
Someone dig.
That's good fish.
Oh no.
Shiner.
Oh no.
Pete!
Oh buddy.
Put it down immediately. You've got to put it right back down. Bigger.
Pete Boyer Fishing signing out for this year's ice fishing season. Overall, absolute success. We'll be back in the spring for some open water fishing. We won't be gone for long. Signing out. Awesome.